Some of you are still playing with your voice. You still think that your voice is just for content. Okay, let me just tell you now, in case you didn't know, your voice is not just for content. Your voice is influence. Hear me and hear me well. You will not realize that your voice can move people. Your voice can do a lot until you start using it in that light. Leave the mindset of, my voice is just content. My voice is this. I can't really talk. You see, that's what, I don't want to get angry. We have gone so far. We are approaching the end of this series. The truth is, your voice can change opinions of people. Your voice can sell ideas. Your voice can comfort people. Your voice can build authority. Your voice can do a lot of things, but you are lazy, broke, and proud. Your voice can command lasting memories for people. It can heal. You are very good at talking, maybe motivational quotes. You are good at therapy, stuff like that. But because you are lazy, broke, and proud, you have refused to see it in that light. After all, everybody's a content creator. Me, I can't do content. Who asked you? Who asked you to do content? Sure. Use your voice for something positive. Use your voice. Okay, you can't even do public speaking. You can't still teach where 1 or 2, 3 are gathered. You can't still do online. Wow. Your voice is not just for content. Your voice is not just for talk and gossip, bad belly. Your voice is for influence. Your voice is to make the world a better place. Use it intentionally. Use your voice wisely. I know they say use your time wisely, but the truth is use your voice wisely, because that your voice that you're looking down on today, it can feed you tomorrow. I know you will not believe me, but try it. So your voice your voice is a weapon. Use it wisely. Yes, so my country people, this is now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen. And over here, we preach laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. If you feel talk, if you create anything. If you don't catch 1 or 2 for today's wave, drop the wave emoji in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. I go see you for my next wave. Wave off.